I'm Dirk Burrowes of Classic Drive Television. We're here at Amelia Island 2019 Concours d'Elegance, and I'm here with Liliane Quon McCain. Now, she has a very special car, a car that goes all the way back to her childhood, a Graybird body, 1938 Bugatti. Liliane, thank you so much for...
1936.
1936, I've been corrected.
That's right.
A beautiful car owned by her father-in-law, and it was housed in Thun, Switzerland. Is that correct? Did I pronounce it correctly? Thun?
Thun, T-H-U-N.
In 1969, you became the caretaker
Right.
again for this, didn't you?
Because he sold his hotel in Thun, had no garage for the Bugatti, and knew it was going to be safekeeping in Beverly Hills, California.
So you were living in Beverly Hills. He had sold the hotel that he had run. You visited there when you were a child, is that?
Well, I met his son in Switzerland, and he's the father of our 3 sons.
Ah, very good, very good. So he knew the car would be best suited to be with you in California.
Absolutely,
So,
positively.
So it's just stunningly beautiful.
Well, it drives like a dream. That's the main thing.
So it drives, you drive it, is that true? You drive it?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. You know, it's surprisingly modern. It has...
trafficker and independent wheel suspension.
Yeah.
See? There it goes.
There you go, look at that, huh?
Turn signals.
So, true luxury with sophistication, huh?
Well, Bugatti was so practical. This is such a simple engine. It's a straight 8 dual overhead cam engine. It's very easy to maintain. And in fact, the XKE he sent over to me had identical engine, except it was a 6 instead of an 8.
That's right.
But he was a hotel owner that loved the weekend, so we could drive from Thun to Bern for lunch.
Through the Swiss Alps, is that correct?
Yes, through the Swiss Alps.
Now, one of the unique features of this car, this is one of 4 bodied by Graber, a Swiss bodybuilder, actually Hermann Graber, and he typically would do just a few cars of famous makers. Many of the best cars in the world were bodied by Graber, and in fact, when Hermann Graber passed away, his widow burned all the plans for all the cars because she never wanted another Graber-bodied or a copy of a Graber-bodied car to be built. Liliane, it's been so nice to talk with you. It's just a wonderful car you've done.
Thank you so much for loving this car as much as we do, and I do.
This is very special.
Well, we were in the tour yesterday that shows all the Bugatti owners love to drive their cars.
You have to drive a car to really be part of the car, don't you?
Exactly, exactly.
I'm Dirk Burrowes for Classic Drive Television. Stay with us. We've got more.